Welcome to my channel, The Ilocanos and Cuyunon. For today's video, I'm going to share Animal Production, Lesson 3, Selecting the Site. Selecting the farm site is an important decision to make because farm buildings are not easy to relocate once they are constructed. It also determines whether the business will prosper or not. There are some factors to consider in selecting the site. Number 1, accessibility of the farm to road and population centers will reduce costs. Number 2, a hilly topography prevent flood or stagnant water. Number 3, availability of feeds and medicines in the area. Number 4, distance from neighboring farms. Number 5, presence of trees as windbreak during typhoons and as regulators of temperature during summer season. Number 6, available space for growing forage and other green feeds. Number 7, available pastures, area for the livestock. Number 8, peace and order condition in the area. Number 9, an adequate source of water. And number 10, distance to neighboring residences. For your activity, tell whether the site is ideal or not. Read the statement below and check all that applies to a good site. Number 1, the soil is not easily flooded. Number 2, it is not easily reached by vehicles. Number 3, stealing is rampant in the area. Number 4, the soil is well drained. Number 5, the neighbors are friendly. Number 6, feeds and medicines are available in the area. Number 7, it is very far from the town. Number 8, all kinds of vehicles can pass by the farm. Number 9, it is hard to buy stocks in the place. Number 10, there are many jobless people near the farm site. If you're done, submit your activity to your teacher. That's all for today. It's shout-out time! Una na sa ating listahan na babatiin ng hello and mega love shoutout para kay Mark Jason Valdez. Thank you sa panunood at pagsuporta palangga. Ganon na rin ang ating pagbati ng hello at mega love shoutout para kay Ronald Jo Romualdo na palaging nanonood ng ating mga videos. Salamat sa panunood at pagsuporta palangga. Hindi rin pahuhuli ng pagbati ng hello at mega love shoutout para kay Alpha is Hussein na laging nakaabang sa ating mga videos. Thank you sa pagsuporta palangga. At para naman po sa iba na gusto rin magpa-shoutout, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-text or isulat niyo lang po dyan sa ating chat box ang inyong mga pagbati at ito po ay aking pupusuan. At kung nagustuhan niyo naman po ang ating mga videos, paki-like din po at paki-share na rin po itong ating videos para mas marami pa po ang makapanood. Para naman po sa iba na hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating channel, baka naman po, kumari lang po, ay paki-subscribe din po itong ating channel. At paki-hit na rin po ang ating notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na ating ilalabas sa mga susunod. Hanggang dito lang po muna ang ating video. Hanggang sa muli. Bye! Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Ilocano po ang aking nanay, at Cuyunon po ang aking tatay. Ako po ay proud Pinay!